Rudramurthy, good morning. What is your sense? Will Reliance and L&T do the needful what Infosys will lose?
Nikunj, good morning. For me, definitely L&T looks much stronger compared to the other IT pack, or even for that matter, Reliance with results awaited. For me, big bet is on Larsen and Toubro. If I just check the chart patterns of L&T, definitely it has just broken out now from a consolidation pattern. The levels are at around 2230, and last 2-3 days we have just seen that small amount of profit booking on a very shorter time frame, and stock is definitely headed for further up move. So I will be a buyer in L&T at current market price, or any dips to 2230. Look at initial targets of 2350 and then 2500 on L&T. Reliance even definitely looks strong, but it has been much a big move in a very short term, and having taken that strong supports at around 2180 to 2200, it has just moved up 150 rupees, and then it has consolidated again. It is giving that patterns of breakout. So if Reliance stays above these current levels of at around 2350 2340 zone, yes, Reliance can further make that up move. I can see Reliance moving towards levels of 2420 first, and then eventually to levels closer to the 2500. So L&T Reliance definitely looks good. I feel IT might further correct for a very short term, keeping in mind the Infi bad result, and then we can get that cushion from stock specific counters like Reliance, L&T, and even few select banks can just give that push up in market, and then it can balance out the fall in IT.
So let's talk stocks then. Rudra, what is on your recommendation list?
See, I'm going one sell call and one buy call. Bandhan Bank looks very weak to me. If you see, even on day like last week, Thursday, Friday, when markets was giving a big pullback, banks were just flying, you could see Bandhan Bank was definitely very weak. So for me, Bandhan has broken all crucial supports. Now it is headed towards levels of 190, and even eventually this stock can come to levels closer to 170. So for me, Bandhan is a sell with a stop loss of 215. Keep a stop loss of this and then a target of 190 initially. For me, granules looks very strong. Pharma can be a pack which will perform on the upside, and I have just picked up granules, even though all other stocks like Sun Pharma looks very strong. Even for me, Laurus Lab looks very strong. I have just opted for granule. 295 can be the stop loss, and look at initial targets of 330 on granule. So a buy call on granule and a sell call on Bandhan Bank.
All right, there you have Laurus Labs, Granules India, Bandhan Bank. Those are some of the recommendations from Rudra. But time